Each bird is special in its own way. Which one touched your heart the most? Tell us in the comments below. Eagle. Known for its powerful vision and majestic flight, a universal symbol of strength and freedom. Owl. A wise nocturnal hunter with glowing eyes, often called the bird of wisdom. Parrot. Brightly coloured and talkative, parrots can mimic human speech and love companionship. Peacock. Famous for its dazzling tail feathers that fan into a rainbow of colours. Swan. Elegant and graceful, a timeless symbol of beauty and love. Penguin. A flightless bird that waddles adorably and swims like a pro in icy waters.